I am Albert Romero, and I am the manager of the new product development at Primar Ibérica. So I'm looking for new suppliers, new products, and I'm in contact of all of our suppliers. The company is based in Barcelona since 1985, and we are experts in introducing international brands in the Spanish market. Mainly brands from Europe. We work with companies among Europe mainly. Some of them are international, out of the EU, but mainly we import from Europe. And we introduce the brands, we launch them in our market, and we work with the retailers, the wholesale, and food service. Very good, very good. It's very nice. I had the chance to be 2 days already. I've been in the grocery and dairy last day, which was very interesting. And today we are revising drinks. And it's good, very interesting. Important brands, that's what I expected, but sometimes it's not easy to find just big brands, which is what we are looking. And also it's interesting to see trends. When you go to an exhibition, you're not only talking to suppliers, you are looking maybe for new ones, but also one of the expectations is to find new products, new fashions, new trends, and also I was able to detect these trends here, and that's good. Yeah, sure, it's pretty different. In terms of the relationship with the companies, before the exhibition, you can start already talking to them or contacting them through the platform that you have, which is interesting because you can see the catalogs, the products that they work, where they are from, etc. And you even can chat with them a little bit. So that helps to prepare better the exhibition. And the completely different thing is the speed dating process. No? So when you arrive here at Wabel, you have your agenda, you know what you will be doing every 20 minutes, which is excellent because in an exhibition, normally, you lose a lot of time moving around all the pavilions, all the halls, and sometimes you have one meeting in hall 1, but then the next it's in hall 4, so you have to work 10 minutes, and when you arrive, probably these people might be busy with another visit. Here, this doesn't happen. Every 20 minutes you have a meeting. Most of the times it's enough, 20 minutes. I would say that 95% of the meetings I did, it was more than enough. In some cases, 5 more minutes would be needed, but then it's okay. You also have the coffee breaks, you have the lunchtime where you can look for that people and talk to them and get more information and gather more news about their company. It's very interesting. In one word, not easy, eh? I would say professional, in the sense that the organization, it's very professional, but also the people attending, at least the exhibitors that I met, are very professional and big companies, good brands. So that would be my election, professional.